stand out. Along with little capacity, because for the monsoon it is very helpful, for the winter it is very helpful, and you can use it as a heater fingers. Also, they have a feature called self-clean technology, anti-scaling technology. In our washing machine have 12 nanoball, which will clean your outside drum every time at every wash. It will touch your outer surface by 25 million times in a wash cycle, and you will have your steel drum same life till 10 to 12 years, sir, without any rust, without any scratches. So this is our unique feature and patented technology which we have called anti-scaling technology in our washing machine. So types of nanoballs it has, which will turn around the outdoor drum and will clean automatically at every wash cycle. This is our patented technology called anti-scaling. So let's go to the front foot. So let's have a look at front load washing machine, sir. I hope this is also available in Lanka market shop. The main key strength of machine is motor, sir. We have the brand who is using direct drive motor, direct motion motor powered by AI DVS. I will show what is the main benefit of direct motion and AI DVS technology which we use in our entire front load washing machine. The first benefit is direct motion motor, which is directly connected with your drum. So there is no belt, so the hassle-free experience you will feel without sound, without vibration, and also 3 times better lifespan. So here we have started machine, so the main concern of any washing machine is sound, sir. When you place washing machine, when you on, it will vibrate, sir. What we want to show you, sir, our machine is ready to work at just a single stand. This is a live demonstration of direct motion and which is powered by AI DVS technology, which only we have. LG is also using direct drive technology, but they don't have DVS technology, the dynamic balance system, which we use digitally in our PCB. So because of this is happening, so the drum is rotating at a spin mode, and it is available, it is stand only on a single stand, sir. This is the main beauty of this machine, sir. The motor is more powerful, machine is very precise and very silent. The main resolution of this particular feature is you can place your machine at any surface. There is no requirement of measuring, there is no requirement of purchasing a table stand to put the machine, sir. Second most important advantage of this machine is the drum. We are using the biggest drum in industry, sir, with 525 mm of drum size. In ordinary you will get maximum 490 mm of drum size, the both hole, drum size of 490, but we are the only brand who is having 525 mm. The height is bigger than any other competitor brand, which is lead to give you 25% better wash quality just because of better tumble. So the main second most important benefit of this, the drum size. Third, it has a laser seamless joint. We don't have joint in our machine, so if you see closely, in ordinary washing machine you will find a joint here, over here. But in our machine, you can't find any kinds of joints. This machine comes with a laser seamless technology, which will protect your cloth from damaging, while also it will give more life to your drums. The machine is very powerful, along with the 25-degree tilt display, and you can easily watch in this position also. In ordinary machine, you will have to sit down to watch the program and all. So this is still 25 degree for your easy convenience. Machine has 2 layers of door design. In ordinary machine, you will have single layer. You will have seen the depth in door basically, but here you will have 2 layers of door design, 1 layer and 2 layers for the beauty and for the safety purpose. All the machines are made in India, so we are manufacturing in Pune itself with 5-star rating. Right. So in India, we are providing 20-year motor warranty, which is lifetime, called lifetime.
Yes, comprehensive.
Comprehensive warranty in India. Another upcoming series, sir, which will come in near about 15 to 16 kg of capacity with dual drum. So it has 2 drums with 2 different but separate motors, sir. For the bigger capacity, this is a very good advantage. When you have 15 kg of capacity, you can divide in 2 parts. The lightweight cloth you can put in another drum, and the heavy cloth you can put in a separate drum. So in a single time, you can operate both machines with the both motor. It has 2 motors, 2 drums, right? Basically, this product comes from Casarte, which we are going to follow. This year onwards, we will provide in market. So, this is called sterilizer or styler. So, you can put your party wear cloths on the rack and it will automatically get sterilized and clean, smell free, bacteria free. You can use your used cloth again without any. One AC sir which comes with the inbuilt wise. So here we have a possibility like for another rest of the smart AC you will have to purchase a separate Google or Alexa speaker. But in this model it has inbuilt higher speaker, higher assistant. So we'll have to say hey higher, switch on the AC, hey higher, close the AC. It will work automatically without any Alexa and Google support. It has a mic and this model comes with 1.5 ton of capacity. We are aiming to launch a solar AC also in the same concept and design this year also. The commercial range of VRV, VRF, which we have in a market, we are dealing in India, commercial AC also. The water heater cap range we have. In water heater, we have a patented technology called soft-proof technology. So here we have advantage where no chances of any kinds of current leakage in your water. So this is our patented technology. If any case in your tub will get short circuit, you will get only 12 watt of current, that is nearly negligible. So we are the first one who is offering this with patented technology called soft-proof.
Everything connected through your Google and Alexa, you just give a command and it can work according to your voice. Okay Google, turn on the higher logo. Just like that. Your AC, your television, your robo vacuum cleaner, everything just connected through your Google and Alexa.
You can create your scenario in mobile application, sir. Whatever product you want to add with your scenario, you can give command. Either you can set at 5 AM, robo will automatically activate. Either you are entering your home and you are saying, okay Google, turn on robo. It will automatically take command and robo will automatically work. So here available all the products are fully IoT enabled and we are going to nearly this year also we are going to launch this smart meter also.
We changed the house.
अच्छा एक बार एक्सप्लेन.
This is our front row concept. It comes with the screen. You can see internal view. Just click here. Whatever you kept inside, you can see by standing.
Same phrases we have shown.
Because there are 3 cameras attached here, so you can see internal view. This is also controls through smart. This is Wi-Fi enabled, so you can operate through High Smart app also. But this screen, just like your Android phone, you can use it.
Both possibilities.
Like YouTube also.
If you want to enjoy
Like
during
you want
the
a recipe or something.
you can learn recipes also, yes. Next, robo please.
I already connected through this High Smart app, these Robo Vacuum Cleaner. If I want to start Robo Vacuum Cleaner, you just have to here start. You can see, just click the start cleaning. Now it's starting to clean.
It has both suction as well and mopping also. You can do both on the all the sensors are very as you can see.
Also, it has clear sensor, so it does not fault fall down your staircase also.
Just have a look.
Also, it comes with 2 compartments, one for mopping and one for dusting. So you can do mopping and dusting both.
And the size is very small and compact. Always very helpful for under the sofa cleaning. So easily from any kind of
Next, move forward. Again, here everything connected through your Google and Alexa, your lights, ceiling lights, your air conditioner, your TV, everything connected. Your Google and Alexa, you just give a command and you can work about it. Okay, Google, turn off the bedroom lights.
Ten lights off.
So you can create as much as possible. You can create on your scenario. It will be sound. It will work accordingly. We are aiming to give a theme so for any visitor. And every in week, at least 2 to 3 times, we are inviting all the college students here to have the experience of hire. And we always often give an experience to our factory also, so that they can communicate their whole family that hire is a good quality and products. So that we always going to better. That's why we have created this theme. Also, also, sir, we are divided
For student bus.
most of the colleges are hostel machine. Most of the colleges in across India, we have placed this machine for the student purpose. So we have another application to control this application.
Mr. Tire wash.
Called Tire Wash, which is already being trained for the students in the colleges. So they have to open applications and they have to take their slot time and they must put their clothes 7-8 kg of capacity. They have just to 50 rupees as for the Indian office, and it will take 1 hour of the time. Machine will do the clean wash. This is also a good concept to create an image new generation. No, not 100%. This will come with 70% as a regular control.
We have also separate drive.
We are placing both in.
Yes, this is our separate lab for only student purpose. We already installed actually all Delhi,
More than
Noida.
30-40 colleges we have already installed. Installation process is, yes, of course, from the management of the college it is free, but we are taking money from the students from 400 rupees per course. Okay, so again, we'll have size of from 148 liter to 720 liter of capacity. A major strength of for refrigeration, we have 5-side cooling technology. In another one, we will have maximum home side cooling. We have 5 sides. It will give you nearly combination.
Can you explain them the benefits of
Please. Actually, combo we don't have right now in the display. आसी अर्चना combo वाला नहीं लगा क्या बीच में जिसमें divider होता है?
That service available.
Sure. समझ रहे हो? Actually, we have another model called combo deep freezer, which comes with a dual zone with one partition of row. So, in one side you will have 45% of freezer space, and another side 55% of freezer space. So, for your freeze and freezer both in one row. Rest all the models are convertible. So, either you can use as a freeze, either freezer. These models. But in combo, you will have all time two type of temperature control, one plus, one minus. So that series also we have in our basket with three different capacities: 325, 385, and 550 liters capacity. So
The logic behind is for those that launch this product, a customer, let's say a grocery, who doesn't have money
Exactly.
to spend for bottle cooler and a freezer, go for this thing.
Because-
and that you get with the shelves also.
there is
And
shelf.
customer can keep the stuff separate.
Okay, so I think लगा नहीं है जिसमें जो we don't have place here right now.
Yeah.
But the model is very good because a startup grocery stores now they don't have awareness about this concept. So what they do, they put both things in the same deep freezer, beverages as well as freezer material. So definitely there is chances of foil all those things. So because of that we have created that concept. In single machine you can store both concepts. Okay. So all the major benefits of our machines are 5-side freezing with dual condenser. So we are the only brand who is having dual condenser for the fastest heat experience. Also, we are using 3 layers of door design for the cooling retention, and we claim as a 225 hour of cooling retention after the power failure. We have imposed PCM liner, which is more durable, more strongest liner than any other competitor brand we are using. Also, we are using 50 degree of tropical compression in our commercial refrigerators, which is most durable, which can work on extreme temperature also. These are the main key points for our deep freezer.